Hello, audiobook enthusiasts and future moguls. Are you ready to turn your passion for storytelling into a lucrative venture? Welcome to MoneyiFY, where today we're diving into the incredible world of Amazon audiobooks and uncovering the secrets to making money from them. Audiobooks are more than just a convenience for the modern reader. They represent a booming industry with tremendous potential for revenue. Amazon, a titan in the book world, offers a platform where stories come alive in the ears of millions. Whether you're an aspiring author with a story to tell, a narrator with a voice that captivates, or an entrepreneur looking to invest in digital gold, this video is your gateway to understanding and capitalizing on this opportunity. Let's embark on this exciting adventure together and unlock the potential of Amazon audiobooks. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and let's get started. How exactly can you turn Amazon audiobooks into a profitable venture? Let's break it down into 3 key roles: authors, narrators, and entrepreneurs. Each has its unique path and strategies for success. First up, if you're an author, your journey begins with writing and publishing audiobooks. But remember, an audiobook is more than just spoken words. It's an experience. Your content needs to be engaging and suitable for audio format. This means focusing on strong, vivid storytelling and considering elements like pacing and dialogue that truly shine in audio form. When it comes to marketing, think outside the book. Leverage social media, create compelling book trailers, and engage with your audience through storytelling podcasts or behind-the-scenes content. The key is to build a community around your work. Now, let's talk about narrators. Your voice is your instrument, and the audiobook world is your stage. Getting started in narration involves practicing your skills, understanding various genres, and developing a unique style. Build a portfolio by starting with short stories or volunteering for public domain projects. This portfolio is your ticket to attracting more significant paid projects. Invest in good quality recording equipment and learn audio editing basics. Your audio quality is as important as your narration skills. Remember, versatility and consistency are your best assets in this field. Entrepreneurs, this is your realm to innovate and invest. Partnering with authors or narrators can open doors to exciting opportunities. You can invest in promising audiobook projects or even start your own audiobook production company. Your focus should be on identifying market trends, investing in quality productions, and implementing robust marketing and sales strategies. The audiobook market is vast, and with the right approach, you can carve out a profitable niche. Whether you're an author, narrator, or entrepreneur, the world of Amazon audiobooks offers a playground of opportunities. It's about finding your niche, honing your skills, and connecting with your audience. All right, now that we know the roles and opportunities within the world of Amazon audiobooks, let's get down to the practical steps. Whether you're an author, narrator, or entrepreneur, the first thing you need is to set up an account on Amazon's audiobook platform. As an author, you'll then need to claim your book if it's already listed on Amazon or provide details for a new title. Remember, the more complete your book's profile, the better. This includes your book cover, a compelling description, and relevant keyword. Narrators, your next step is to create a compelling profile. Upload samples of your work, showcasing different genres and styles. This is like your resume. Make it stand out. Then, you can start auditioning for open projects that authors have listed on the platform. Entrepreneurs, as rights holders, you can either bring your own books or collaborate with authors who don't wish to self-produce. Your focus should be on finding compelling projects and managing the production process. Remember, your journey in the world of Amazon audiobooks is unique. Whether you're an author bringing your stories to life, a narrator giving voice to those stories, or an entrepreneur creating successful audiobook projects, each step you take is building towards your success in this exciting industry. Conclusion: As we've journeyed through the fascinating world of Amazon audiobooks today, we've uncovered the potential that lies in writing, narrating, and investing in audiobooks. From setting up your account on a CX to understanding the nuances of genre selection and royalty structures, we've covered the essentials to kickstart your path in this exciting field. Whether you're an aspiring author, a voice talent ready to captivate audiences, or an entrepreneur eager to venture into the audiobook market, the opportunity to turn your passion into profit awaits. Remember, success in audiobooks is a blend of creativity, strategy, and persistence. Don't hesitate to take that first step and keep exploring, learning, and growing in this dynamic industry. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.